Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast the easy way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for the batter. For the bread, 4 slices of day-old bread like brioche or challah work best. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of butter ready for the pan and your favorite toppings nearby. Now, let's create the perfect batter. In a shallow dish, whisk your 2 large eggs until they are completely combined. Next, pour in the 1/2 cup of milk and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently mix these ingredients together until you have a smooth, uniform batter. This simple step ensures every bite of your French toast will be delicious and evenly coated. With your batter ready, it's time to soak and cook. Dip each slice of bread into the batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. This ensures the bread absorbs enough liquid without becoming soggy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Cook each French toast slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it's beautifully golden brown. Your easy French toast is now ready to be served. Transfer the golden brown slices directly to a plate. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or some fresh berries are always wonderful choices. Enjoy your warm, homemade French toast, a delightful treat that's perfect for any morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.